What's up, gang? I'm back with another video for y'all today. Another prank video at that. I'm about to get my boy Josh once again. He keeps slipping up. Remember last time I got him with the Oreo prank and numbed his whole mouth. He was sleeping, slobber came out his mouth and everything. But today, see, Josh, he loves these brownies, bro. He loves these brownies. I don't know if y'all can really see him. Whatever. But look, there's one left. And we're just gonna go from there and see what his reaction is, because I know he loves these brownies, bro. And nobody touches him because it's for him. Like, everybody knows, like, he loves those brownies. So about to see where this goes, y'all. I'm about to take it to the extreme. All right, gang. Peace. Josh, what you doing? Come play PS4.
What game you playing?
I'm about to play 2K. Or Call of Duty. What you want to play?
I'll play Call of Duty.
Yeah, come play Call of Duty.
Alright, there we go.
Can you bring my phone?
Where's it at?
On the chair.
It's like 50 cents. I'm going to Spider-Man.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, come on, don't tell me this.
What?
Bro, you eat my last brownie. Bro, I told you. What did I say the other night? What did I say the other night?
Those not yours?
No, I know, but I told you I was saving that last brownie for me. I had it in a secret spot.
Where?
Bro, it was at the top.
It was in the open to me.
Bro, it was at the top.
So you know I'm tall, so like whatever's up there, like I can see it. Like.
Bro, but still, I told you. I'm gonna eat that last brownie. I said, I'm gonna eat that last brownie, and you still eat it. You think it's funny.
Bro, I did not know this was yours.
I mean, I'm not gonna take it out of hand, but dang, I was trying to save that last brownie for me.
This something good too.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to save it for me.
You want a piece?
No, your mouth all up on it. I said hit you with this box.
Why you getting so aggressive?
Because I wanted that last brownie, Jordan.
I did not know it was yours.
Yes, you did. I told you. I said I'm saving that last brownie.
Bro, that's crazy.
You better be playing with me.
No, that's crazy because
No,
I'm not playing. Like, I'm dead serious.
I need that brownie, bro.
Why you getting so aggressive, bro?
I'm not.
It's just
I
a
just want that
brownie.
brownie.
It's just a brownie.
You better be saving another one for me or something.
Bro, it's crazy because I looked at the brownie, the box, and I was like,
what?
Is Josh really gonna eat this, bro?
Yes.
That was
I
hungry.
am gonna eat it.
I was hungry, so I was like, nah, Josh ain't gonna eat it. So,
Well, you lied. You lied to yourself.
bro, that's the last piece right here. Do you want this?
No, I wanted the whole thing so I can enjoy it. I can't enjoy one bite. Bro, you
What's crazy?
a jerk, bro.
This brownie's good, bro.
Bro, go to the store and give me another one.
What?
Bro, go to the store and give me another brownie.
You crazy, bro? Wow.
Cause I told you I was saving it for me.
Alright, I didn't call you up here to argue with me about
A brownie, I know, so you shouldn't have ate it.
Let's
We're
play the
arguing
game.
right now.
Let's play the game. What you doing?
Bro, I wanted that brownie so bad. You know I like chocolate.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro. But I ain't
Every time we go to the gas station, what I get?
a brownie.
Okay, why you eat it then?
Bro, I did not really think like you was gonna want it because it's been up there for like
Why would
a
I
couple
tell
days.
somebody, why would I tell everybody that I'm saving that last brownie for me? Please don't eat it.
It was up there for a couple days and I was hungry and like I like chocolate too, so I was like,
I know you like chocolate. You always eating the nutty bars.
you.
That's
son.
all you eat. Yeah. Bro, why you eat that brownie?
Wow.
Come on.
That's bro.
But you gonna
Let's
give me
play the
another brownie?
game.
Okay, if I beat you, you give me a brownie.
No, I'm not going to get you no more brownies, Josh.
Why?
The last
So you got more brownies for me then?
No, this is the last one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
There's no more brownies in
You
it.
can go check it.
So if I go check and come back up here and there's no brownies, what am I gonna do?
I don't know. I don't know what you gonna do.
Alright, bro. If there's no brownies left, I'm coming back up here.
You supposed to play the game.
No, brownies more important. Bro. Why you eating all the brownies?
I just explain
There's no
myself?
more.
Whoa.
There's no
I'm gonna need
more.
you to take a couple steps back.
Bro, come on.
Oh no, you did not.
Bro, I looked in the pantry and there was no more brownies left.
Did I tell you there was more brownies down there? That
I
was
was
your fault.
hoping.
You walked down there.
I was hoping.
Bro. I honestly didn't think that you was gonna like what?
Because there was like 3 left. And I said, save that last brownie for me. Save at least one.
How was there 3 left and then you would say the last one?
I said, save one more. And now what?
Bro.
Wait, 3 of them?
No.
Is there more wrappers?
No. Where did the rapper go?
Under the couch, get it.
I'll get that after I'm done handling you because I called you up here to play the game, bro. What's up? Let's
But
play
you
the
was
game.
eating a brownie in my face.
Play the game.
I just want the brownie, bro.
Bro, Josh, bro. It's over with, bro. It's gone.
It's
Obviously,
over with.
look.
You wanna give me another brownie?
There's no more brownies.
You
bro.
wanna give me some more brownies?
I'm not getting you no more brownies because
Come on.
you wasn't gonna eat it, bro. You
I
wasn't.
was.
When were you gonna eat it, bro?
It's sometime tonight.
Come on, let's play a game. You're not worried about the brownies.
It's 8:30.
And what time was you expecting to eat it?
Around this time.
You're lying. You know why?
I was gonna
around
catch
this
an appetite and then I was gonna get
around
the
this
brownie.
time yesterday, you didn't eat it.
That
Around
was
this time,
yesterday. Not today.
well, the day before that, you
Come
was
on,
still
bro.
wasn't doing it.
I'm
So, like I said, bro, let's play the
I want a
game.
brownie.
Why you ripping the
Come on,
box?
bro.
Why you, bro?
Well, why you
doing
doing
the
just say this one for? There was 2. You could have split it in half and gave me one.
I didn't even think about that.
No, because you was being selfish.
Bro, I wasn't even selfish, but at the end of the day, bro, I called you up here to play Call of Duty or 2K. And I was gonna let you choose. But
And
you
you
wanna
know I
take it
don't
upon
like
yourself.
2K, so how dare you put that in the options?
That's why you can choose, because you never know. You might switch up one day and be like,
No, I'm not switching up.
I'm gonna play 2K.
I'm not switching up.
Switch up again.
I'm gonna
and be
play
like,
Call of
I'm gonna play
Duty.
Call of Duty.
All the time, Call of Duty.
Bro, look, the brownie situation.
And the brownies make me play better.
How does chocolate make you play better?
Can't stand this. I need my brownies, bro. I'm gonna keep looking till I get some.
I just told you that's the last one.
Anyone, can you make me some brownies, please? Yeah. Lord, I'm thinking you fake right now.
Just, bro.
What?
The crazy thing is that
That you ate my last brownie.
it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank.
You still ate it.
No, I didn't.
You still ate it.
Look. I
If
ate.
you don't, show me
Look,
the brownies.
I will
bro.
show you more.
I'll hold the camera
I'll
and stay
show
right
you
here.
more. I'll show you more.
Show me. You better have them freaking brownies, bro. He ate my last brownie. I don't even know where he had the camera at. But if he don't pop up with no brownies, it's over with.
Look, bro.
Let me see. Oh, you saved 2 for me?
I told you, I got you,
Say
bro.
two for me.
I wasn't gonna do you like that, my boy. I wasn't gonna do you like that. Just a prank. What you thought this
Yeah, I knew there
was?
was at least 3 in there. I'm so glad. Oh my.
What was you
I'm
thinking?
gonna need you to play Call of Duty, bro.
Oh, so now you wanna go play Call of Duty?
Yeah.
Wow. Now you wanna go play Call of Duty. Look at Scrappy. Look who's out the shower, ready to get this whooping in 2K. What's up, Vaughn? What's good, Vaughn?
You're not gonna leave me, bro. I swept Chris.
Look at M over there about to whip something up for us.
For me?
Josh, well, how you feeling, Brody?
Good now. Oh, it was good now.
Wow. Finally get him a brownie now. His mood just.
Here, bro, I got you one.
This is what this is. Hey, but y'all, make sure y'all like and comment down below. Give me some more prank ideas. If y'all want a Q&A, like just for me, for this channel, let me know. Subscribe to my bro Josh channel. Like, hang on, that was kind of fun. I was trying to hold my laugh in, bro.
Hey, bro, go subscribe.
Yeah.
To Jordan's channel.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel.
Hey, well, subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, subscribe to my boy
Oh,
channel.
wait, subscribe to Sierra and Jordan's channel.
Yeah. Subscribe to Sierra and Jordan channel too. His channel, link will be in the description down below.
Wait, somewhere around there.
And spam the comments and give me more ideas. Alright, gang.
Oh,